Iya nih ditahan nih, nggak tahu kenapa nih sama security. What the man? Getting ready for the trip. 2 bikes to start off with. 2 a.m. in the morning. It's gonna take about an hour to get to the airport. Buried alive in Makassar. We are waiting for our driver. He should be here about 25 minutes ago. Let's try to call him again, eh?
Iya. Jun.
Maaf ya Pak, sebentar.
Iya. Oh, Pak Hamzah. Lah, maksudnya solusinya apa gitu?
Ya dicarikan Grab.
Tapi
Grab.
enggak, justru dia bilangnya ini mobil rental, nggak boleh masuk. Justru kalau Grab gitu katanya boleh. Saya nggak ngerti juga sih.
Enggak lah. Atau biar di situ. Bisa juga dekat di situ.
Pak Hamzah?
Ya.
Iya, apa kabar? Ada.
Ya, saya tidak menyalahkan penumpangnya. Saya mau bicara sama Bapak. Kalau ada penjemputan begini, minta tolong koordinasi dulu sama petugas yang di sini.
Kalau itu lebih baik sih.
Iya, makanya saya bilangin dulu. Iya, oke lah Pak, saya bantu dulu.
Iya.
Biar sopirnya dikasih tahu dulu Pak.
Iya, oke.
Maaf, Pak.
Makasih.
Ya.
The river is about 3 kilometers long.
I'll do it when the sky falls. Forget about the crimes. If I could stay forever, here floating by the rim, where everything is mending, then serenity begins. If tomorrow would come, don't wanna go there. If tomorrow in the shimmering light of your eyes. If tomorrow would come, don't wanna go there.
We are at Padang Amarung. Lumayan jalannya. Not bad, naik-naik dikit, manjat-manjat dikit. Masih gampang. Tapi gampang-gampang keringetnya udah segede biji jagung.
I never got to say the words, the ones that you had
Gua
never
dulu ya.
heard.
Satu kampung
You're
sendiri.
still in every space of me. My best.
Pasti ada kata tunggu.
Pasti.
Bisa semua. Tidak ada yang tidak bisa. Yang penting niatnya dia kuat. Ya.
Sip, mantap. Oke, hebat kamu.
Ini tasnya saja.
Best we could do. No one's to blame, not me or you.
Woo! We've just gone into Diamond Cave. So they call it Diamond Cave because there's a stalactite, don't even know what it's called. So Basically, there's some patches in the cave that's sort of like sparkling. The cave's so narrow, so dark. I couldn't even bring my backpack in. I had to leave the backpack outside. Yeah, I'm sweating like a pig, man. I took my glasses off. It's too hot.
It's funny how the simplest things can leave the biggest hole. Just waking up to feel your skin.
So we're at the stone garden from prehistorical era. Rocks basically everywhere. This is probably like where all the rocks are concentrated into one place. Yeah, pretty amazing.
So why should I complain? We run as fast as we could do. No one's to blame, not me or you. Still I'm caught in that rain. I'll be over you, okay? I'll be doing more than great. But I just miss you, I miss you. I'll sing happy songs.
Yeah.
Kalau yang lainnya? Enggak. Oh iya.
One day I'll be doing more than great. But now I miss ya, I miss ya.
Semoga awet muda. Saya juga mau dong.
We got lost in each other, so we just kept on falling. But we touched the sky, yeah, we touched the sky. And we dove in the deep end, trying to find one more reason to hold back the night. We held back the night. I'll be over you, okay? I'll be doing more than great.